Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shaima here with yet another recipe, and today we'll be making spicy fried potatoes, commonly known as Viazi Karai. And all you're going to need is 5 to 6 potatoes. You can use any potatoes of your choice. So we're going to slice our potatoes into bite sizes. So just make sure you get fresh ones because you don't want potatoes that have been sitting on a shelf for a while. So we're going to cut them. And before you slice your potatoes up, just make sure your knife is sharp enough, because the last thing you need is a very blunt knife. So once you're done, we're going to rinse our potatoes well with cold water. And then we are going to boil them. So when you're boiling our potatoes, we don't want to boil them all the way through. We just want them halfway cooked. So try not to overcook them because we are going to fry them anyway. So just add water and you're going to boil this for at least 5 minutes. So I'm just adding half a teaspoon of salt. And you're going to let the heat do its magic. So our potatoes are ready. Just set them aside, let them cool down, drain the water and set that aside. So into this bowl, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of flour. I used wheat flour. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of paprika. So we're going to add that into the bowl, and then we're going to mix just to make sure all the spices are well combined. So once you're done, we're going to add water because you're going to make this into a very smooth, nice batter, because you're going to use it to dip our potatoes before frying them up. So just keep on adding water as you mix until you have a very nice, smooth batter. So once you're done, just set that aside. So we're going to add our potatoes into the batter, and then into our cooktop we're going to place our karai and add some oil because we are going to deep fry our potatoes. So you can add oil up to about 3 to 5 centimeters deep, so that should be good enough for you to deep fry your potatoes. So I'm going to run the skewer test. Yeah, you can see my skewer is sizzling, so my oil is hot enough. So it's time to fry our potatoes. So we're going to deep fry this until they're nice and crispy. So that normally takes around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So after 30 seconds, I just turn them over just to make sure they're well cooked. You can use your drainer to kind of split them because sometimes they tend to stick together. So if you see that happening, nothing to worry about. So once they're done, just drain them from the oil. And they're ready to go. So I normally enjoy this with tamarind sauce, and if you like a recipe on how to make your tamarind sauce, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll definitely make a video on that. If you really enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. So until next time, let's cook, eat and enjoy.